Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm showing you a house in one of the best beachfront residentials between Sosúa and Cabarete. So why don't you come on in? So this house is ready for you to take over. It's located in a beachfront residential between Sosúa and Cabarete, and you can walk to the beach. It's really pretty. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.